Alright guys, so this is the OnePlus 12 I ordered from OnePlus website, and it almost looks like it's delivered from China directly. The tape says some weird company name, and it was delivered by Blue Dart. Interestingly, it's another box here. OnePlus store, never settle. There's also a tamper evident seal, which obviously since there's tape it won't work. But everything is high security, like the tape's printed. Alright, so here you have nice and torn invoice. And this is the OnePlus 12 phone. This is crushed and bumped from here. Again, crushed completely from here. This isn't a good experience, I would say. If I'm buying a phone worth 75,000, I really want these to be just perfect. Already very dirty, like handled multiple times. Another tamper evident packaging here. Plastic. So as you can see, it's crushed here, here again. There's some thank you notes here, but it's just printed. And this is never settle. There's a nice silicone cover inside with some welcome guides, some OnePlus stickers, scratch cards, membership card. There's actually a lot of stuff. The good old fantastic pin. Never manages to get out. Red cable. Club card. Maybe it gets you something. And what this is? Phone hold seal stickers. I don't know. We'll figure out what it is. Stickers and cards. And a welcome message from the CEO. What else you got? You got the phone. We ordered the emerald green color, and it's 512 GB. This is how your phone looks like. Interestingly, if you see, it already has a lot of dust here. Very surprised on how manufacturing processes at OnePlus are. We have 4 lenses. We'll get to this again. Okay, this time you get a 100-watt charger. Fantastic. So that's, again, there's some dirt on it, as you can see, on the charger itself. Very poor quality of manufacturing, I'm assuming. As you can see the box again, there's some black particle here as well, if you can see. And then you got the OnePlus red cable. Let me keep it back. Let me put this back. Keep this back as well. And back to the phone, checking if it has a scratch card already. Yes, it does. So it has a scratch card, but again, as I said, there's just too many dust particles. Okay, see, all of them are here. See? It's full of dust. Let me switch it on. Starts with a slight vibration. Alright, so I'll just do it. By the way, this is a paper tray. That's good.